Lillian Vernon Corporation is a 53-year-old national catalog and online retailer that markets gift, housewares, gardening, seasonal, and children's products. And they are a pioneer in offering personalized products free of charge. With one of the largest personalization departments in America, they eliminate the customary 4 to 6 week delay associated with personalized merchandise. Their personalized products allow their customers to make a personal statement at a reasonable cost. With the goals of improving overall processing time, reducing costly errors, improving productivity, and reducing labor, Lillian Vernon collaborated with W&H Systems, who designed an order fulfillment system incorporating automated batch order picking and sorting methods. Given the large range of shapes and sizes of their product offering, a tray sorter was the logical choice. The RSU was the perfect solution based on its relatively low cost, high capacity, and short lead time. Here is how the system operates. The host computer downloads daily waves to a sorter PC, with each wave consisting of a various number of order sets. Each order set can be up to 16 customer orders. Initially, these orders are picked into tote boxes and staged on pallets in holding areas. When their associated wave is ready, the palletized totes are physically brought to a sorter induction area that consists of 2 manual induction stations. The totes are manually placed onto pitched gravity conveyors that feed them to the inductors. The inductors manually remove the product from the totes and place it onto RSU trays with the customer ID barcode facing up. To improve productivity, an induction table is provided at each station, and the trays of the RSU sorter are presented to the inductors in a horizontal position to ease loading. The trays are later tilted for sortation. Once the tote is empty, the inductors place the totes onto a pitched gravity conveyor that transports the empty totes back to the pallets where they are stacked for return to the picking area. At the beginning of each wave, empty hampers are placed into the sort locations of the RSU sorter. A handheld short-range RF scan gun is used to scan the order set ID barcode on the pre-printed paperwork and to scan the RSU sort location ID barcode. The paperwork is then placed into the hamper pouch. The sorter control system assigns the order set to the hamper based on the information that was downloaded from the host. This download consists of wave number, lane number, order number, carton ID for pack out, carton size, and product ID. Now, the sort operation is ready to begin. The RSU sorter, developed by W&H Systems, consists of tilted carrying trays traveling on an enclosed track conveyor. It is configured as a single tray-level system with varying elevations to accommodate walk-through aisles. The sorter operates at a speed of 120 feet per minute and allows approximately 60 trays per minute to pass the 2 manual induction stations. This means that the maximum capacity of this sorter, with full tray utilization, is 3,600 pieces per hour. Actual throughput varies, but is typically around 3,000 pieces per hour. Items that have been loaded onto trays are scanned by an overhead camera. The data contained in the product's barcode is transmitted to the sorter control system and identified. It is then assigned a specific sort location. When the trays reach their proper discharge point, electronic signals actuate divert mechanisms that release the bottom edges of the carrying trays. The product gently slides from the tilted trays into the hampers where they accumulate. The hampers are equipped with spring-loaded bottoms to allow for maximum accumulation of product. A pilot light indicates when the order set is complete. There are a total of 105 sort locations on the RSU sorter, 100 order set locations, 1 location for items that have non-readable barcodes, 1 location for items that need to be reinducted because the designation lane is currently unavailable, 1 location for not identified items that the barcode can be read but there is no requirement, 1 location for items that are required for future waves, and 1 jackpot location. Exceptions are dealt with at the end of the wave by reviewing a printed exceptions report as well as a jackpot report. A no-read processing PC and hand scanner are utilized for proper distribution of no-read items. When an order set is complete, the hamper is brought to a pack-out area where the individual orders are boxed for shipment. The cartons are then packed, sealed and labeled, and transported to the shipping area for direct shipment to the customer via the requested method of delivery. This system provided immediate benefits. Less processing labor was required with the automated fulfillment system, which also saved the associated recruiting, hiring, and training costs. Order errors were substantially reduced, which resulted in less remakes of product with personalization. The operating cost per piece was reduced by 50%. There was a 56% increase in the number of pieces processed per labor hour. The RSU's highly configurable design adapts easily to fit where floor space is constricted. In the current design, 10,000 square feet of floor space was freed up and made available for new processes that will be added in the future. As volume increases, another induction station can be added, which will increase future sorting capacity by at least 30%. The system showed an annual cost savings of $606,000. This equated to a 17-month payback period with a 70.3% return on investment. Collaboration, Lillian, Vernon, and W&H Systems working together to achieve the desired results.